Yeah, I got a little tip for you guys that are doing TIG art or in TIG art or want to try TIG art. Hey, good day everyone. Safe Journey here. I got a little tip for you guys that are doing TIG art or in TIG art or want to try TIG art. Something that's like, I don't know, it's helped me out a lot. So this idea I got pretty much probably from my tattooing background. But what's really good is this, I use carbon paper to do my prints. I see a lot of everybody using Dremels and going taping down their print or their design and wanting to go through and Dremel through that. I see the paper flying all over the place. It's, yeah, messy. I like the carbon paper because I can make my print like so. And if I want to change a line, I can change a line and I can still see what I've already imprinted into the metal. Plus, it's really good if you're going to do layering. If I wanted to do, I don't know, I got this hand here, so maybe if I wanted to do another hand but overlap it, I can at least go and do the print overlap. And if I wanted to maybe put this hand behind it, I can just take away those lines. I don't have to try and pretend, figure out where that line is while I'm doing it through the actual paper. So, yeah, I believe you can get this on Amazon. It's just plain carbon paper. It does make your fingers black. And if you are going to do when you do Dremel, because you're still going to need to, so you can see it through the helmet. If you're right-handed, you're going to want to go right to left. If you're left-handed, opposite direction, just because it does, it will smudge off. And yeah, but that's my little tip for you, for anybody that's doing TIG art or wanting to do TIG art or anything done with TIG art. It may help, I don't know, but hopefully it does. Have a good day.